A pleasant afternoon to our uttermost respected principal sir, respected teachers, and all my beloved ladies and gentlemen present here. Today, we come together to celebrate a truly special occasion, that is Teachers' Day. On this day, we honor the incredible individuals who shape the future with their unwavering dedication, with their profound influence. They are our teachers. Now, before I start my speech, I would like to wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day. And I hope you all are excited to watch the students of class 7, 8, 9, and 10 perform on stage for you. I think the students are more excited since no classes are there today. Anyways, let's imagine a world without teachers. सबकी तो मौज हो जाएगी ना? No homework, no studies, no exams, nothing. Let's face the reality. Without teachers, our greatness would be lost to posterity. Through our inability to express, to convey, or to preserve knowledge with ideas. That is because teachers are the architects of tomorrow, constructing upon which our future successes are built. Imagine the countless hours teachers spend preparing lessons, grading assignments, and providing support. But at the end, you teachers celebrate our successes. You are always there with a word of encouragement. You help us go through our failures. You teachers are like the guiding stars in the vast sky of our lives. You help us solve the complexities of the world by offering encouragement and wisdom every turn. You provide a stepping stone towards building a character, towards fostering values, and igniting a passion for learning. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna said it himself that true teachers are only those who help us think of ourselves. So to all the teachers present here, to all the teachers present everywhere in this world, thank you. Your dedication